Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and verify your identity with Revolut. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your application. If you don't have your account ready yet, what you need to do is simply go ahead and create your account. And now to verify your identity with Revolut, you'll usually go to your profile and then into your account and then finally personal details in the app and follow the prompts to upload clear unexpired photos of supported ID, more like passport, national ID, driving license, often alongside a selfie to prove you're the owner, ensuring the document matches your details and is well lit and readable for a quick check. Revolut also sends alerts for verification, so watch for in-app banners or emails if they need more info. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.